Dear children, heartiest welcome in the English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Dear children, today we will solve the exercise of chapter 1, that is 3 questions of your book Honeycomb. Dear children, this exercise covers the learning objectives which you see in this video. Dear children, I divided this exercise in 2 parts. Today we will do first part of this exercise. Dear children, the first part of this exercise covers comprehension check 1, comprehension check 2 and first 4 questions of working with text. Let's start. Let's start comprehension check 1, which is written on page number 10. Dear children, the first question under this comprehension check is, why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? The answer of this question is, the king wanted to know answers to 3 questions because the thought came to him from certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things, that is the answers of these 3 questions. Now dear children, let's go to question number 2. This is multiple choice question. We have to choose right answer. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. First choice is to fetch wise men. Second one, to find answers to the questions. Third choice is to look for the wise hermit. And the last choice is to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. The answer of this question is, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Dear children, let's go to comprehension check 2, which is written on page number 14. The question under this comprehension check is, complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box. Dear children, you see the box contains the appropriate parts of the sentences. Let's complete the incomplete sentences. First one is, many wise men answered the king's question dash. Let's complete this sentence. Many wise men answered the king's questions, but their answers so varied that the king was not satisfied. Now, second incomplete sentence is, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men dash. Let's add the appropriate part of the sentence from this box. The answer is, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. Now let's go to third one. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable dash. Let's complete it. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Now, fourth incomplete sentence is, the king requested the hermit dash. The answer is, the king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. The last incomplete sentence is, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound dash. Let's complete it. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. Dear children, now let's go to working with text. Let's solve the first 4 questions of this text, which is written on page number 14. First question is, why was the king advised to go to magician? The answer is, the king wanted to know answer of his first question. Some people suggested that in order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magician could do that. The king therefore would have to go magicians. Now let's go to question second. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? The answer of this question is, in answer to the second question, some said that his counselor's advice was important. Others said the priests were more important. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. Dear children, let's go to third question of this working with text. The third question is, what suggestions were made in the answer to the third question? The answer is, in answer to the third question, some said science was the most important, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. Now, dear children, let's go to last question of this working with text, that is question number 4. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? The answer of this question is no, the wise man did not win the reward because the king was not satisfied with their answers. Dear children, these are the answers of the questions of comprehension check 1, comprehension check 2, and first 4 questions of working with text. I hope you understand these very well. Dear children, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet after seeing this video so that you can make more understanding about this exercise. Thank you. Be happy and safe.